Hey guys, this is Anshika here and today I am going to tell you how to overdraw your lips to make them appear bigger and fuller. So if you want to learn this technique, please keep on watching this video. To start off, I am using the Faces Lid Pencil in the shade Blush On and I am going to overdraw my lips, focusing on the edges and bringing on the sides. So for that, first I will draw my natural lower lip line. You can barely see the shape on my lips. Now I am going to overdraw at the center. Now I am again going to follow the same procedure on my upper lips. First I will outline my natural lip line and then I will focus on bringing on the edges and the sides. Now I am going to overdraw them. If you have difficulty in overdrawing, you can smile and then overdraw. It will make the application of your lip pencil more smoother. Now we will focus on the sides. Please do not overline the sides as it will make it look more uneasy and unnatural. Now we are going to correct and match the edges of both the lips. Now I am going to use another shade. This is the Maybelline Color Sensational in the shade Velvet Beige. This is almost one tone or two tone darker than the first one, and now I am going to overdraw just above that. Now I am going to fill in my lips with this. Next I am going to fill my lips with the Lakme 925 in the shade Rosy Sunday. Make sure you fill the edges also and the sides. Now if you have something like this, ensure that you use a lip brush to overdraw that area which you have overdrawn with the lip pencil. So now I am using my lip brush to overdraw on the area which I have overdrawn with my lip pencil. Next, I am going to use some lighter shade to put off in the middle of my lips. So I will be taking Lakme Enriched Satin Lip Crayon in the shade Baby Pink. Sorry. I am just going to put it in the center. You can also use some concealer in the middle. As you can see, my color is not showing too much, so I'll be using a concealer in the center. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. You can use any concealer. I'll just dab off a little. Make sure you dab it properly so that it disappears. See, it's completely disappeared and you can see some extra shine in the depth because of the lighter shade, the darker in the outside area. You can also notice that it is giving the illusion of fuller lips. Now I am going to contour my lower lips. I am using the Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Dulce de Leche, and I'm going to contour just in the center of the lower lips. We will take it slightly outward, but our main focus is in the center only. This will ensure that you have a cushioned lower lips, cushioned like lower lips, and which is very good for the faking of big. Now I am going to highlight my Cupid's bow. Although I don't have any Cupid's bow, but I am going to fake it, and I am going to apply on my fake Cupid's bow some highlighter. So I am using very precise brush and just dabbing it on the center. brings the upper lips more forward, as the light, when it contacts the light, it's just like a full plumped lips. You can see. So now I'm going to grab some gloss. Yeah, I have my baby lips. I currently don't have any gloss over here, so I'm using my baby lips, and I'm just going to put it all over my lips. This will give the illusion of more juicy lips. See, this is the finished look, and if you guys liked it, please do comment, share and subscribe my channel. And I would also like to mention that this is my first YouTube video, and your comments will mean a lot to me. If you guys really liked it and you want to see more videos from me, please do comment, and your comments will actually really mean a lot to me. So yeah, that's the finished look, and till then, take care, bye bye.